Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I got my home screen from this to this, then please make sure that you keep on watching. If you don't mind, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it. So first, you want to remove everything from your home screen. So I like to do this because I want to start fresh. So I'm just taking each app and just moving it to the second page. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to move on to step 2, which is choosing your background and your color palette. So you want to pick a theme, like a color theme that you want to go with. My favorite color is pink. If you know me, you know that. So I wanted to go with a pink theme or pink color palette. So I went with blush pink, and as you can see that they have many beautiful pictures that you could use for your backgrounds or your wallpaper. I wanted to keep it kind of simple, so I did go in and pick a simple blush pink background. And all I'm going to do is just make that picture my home screen. Alright, so now we're going to find the photos that we would like to use for our icons, for our apps. So with this, again, you want to pick a theme, stick with that theme. Again, I'm using blush pink aesthetics. That's the aesthetic that I'm going for, is the blush pink look or theme. So I found pictures with that color in it, and that's the pictures that I'm going to use as the icons for my apps. Doesn't necessarily have to be like pictures like this. It can be the apps, like for instance Snapchat. You can use like a Snapchat icon, and right here I'm just showing you guys the ones that I picked in my photo album. So now we're going to create our shortcuts. So you're just going to go into shortcuts, and you're going to click that plus sign and then press add action. And when you press add action, you're going to go in and type open app. Once you type in open app, you will see it populate at the bottom. Just click on that, and then you're going to choose which app you want to change, or use as a shortcut. So right now I'm just going to go with Facebook. You're going to tap the 3 dots and type in Facebook for your shortcut name. Once you do that, just press add to home screen, and then you got to type the name in again. So I'm just typing Facebook again, and that icon right beside it, you're just going to change the photo. Now I'm just picking the photo I want, and I went with this beautiful blush pink pencil picture. It's really cute, so I'm just going to put that as the icon, and then you press add, and there you go, it's added to your home screen. Now I'm just going to take that and put it on the home screen because it automatically puts it on the second page. So you're just going to drag it to the front page, and I'm just going to do the same thing with the Instagram. Put in open app, click that, and then choose Instagram. Just go through those steps again. Click the 3 dots, put in the name, add it to home screen, and then put the name again, and then change the photo of the icon and add that to your screen as well. Alright, so as you can see here, I've already done all the apps that I'm going to have for my home screen. Now I'm just placing the 3 that I like to put at the bottom, which is phone, text, and Safari. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the widgets. So with the widgets, what you will do is you will hold down the home screen and a little button will pop up for you to add. And this is the widgets that it gives you. But what I've done is I went to the App Store and I typed in Widgetsmith, and I'm using this for my date. I'm pretty sure it's other things in there that you can use it for. I didn't really look around in the app. I just wanted it specifically for the date. So as you can see, I've already created my widget. So yeah, you can create it how you want, so it can match your color theme as well. So now I'm just go to the home screen and hold it down again and press that plus sign at the top left and type in Widgetsmith, and it gives you different layouts that you can use. I went with the small layout, and I'm going to edit my widget and select small number 2, and it allows you to change it to the one that you created in the app. So I selected date, which is the one I created, and there you go, populate it on the home screen. And also, if you decide to use reminders, which I did use in this as well, so you just hold the home screen again, click the plus sign, and the widget pops up for reminders. Again, it gives you the different layouts. I did go with the middle layout because I just love that, how it showed the different quotes that I have in there for myself, for self-love. That's my list. It's called self-love. With the reminders though, you do have to create your reminders or your list prior to doing the widget. So I'm showing you that now, how to create your list. So all you want to do is go into reminders, click new list, write whatever you want the list to be named, and then go in there and put, whatever it is you want to put under that list. Once that's done, all you have to do is just go back to the screen, and just go through it as if you were adding the widget. But for me, I'm just going to show you how you can change it if you have it up there already. So all I did was just clicked on it, and then I clicked where it says self-love, and I was able to change it to the other list that I created. But again, I'm just switching it back to the self-love because that's the one I have for my home screen as of right now. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Now you just want to just go in there and just make it aesthetically pleasing to you. I went back in there and I added the battery life. I wanted that to my home screen as well. Again, that gives you different layouts, and I chose the first layout, and I'm just going to add that to my home screen. Then I'm just going there and place everything exactly where I want it. Like I said, it's pretty simple, you guys, very easy. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what to do with the other apps as of yet, but if you do run out of space on your home screen, you can definitely scroll over to the left right here, and this is another widget screen, so you can definitely add more widgets to this page as well if you run out of space on your home screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in another video.